the astronomical community was taken by surprise when an unexpected anomaly was detected near Neptune. It all began with the vigilant observations from a network of space observatories that monitor the outer reaches of our solar system. Late one evening, astronomers observed a sudden, brilliant flash on Neptune's surface, a rare event that immediately suggested something extraordinary. This event was first flagged by an automated alert system designed to catch transient phenomena in the cosmos. The flash, initially detected by the Hubble Space Telescope, was unlike any typical atmospheric disturbance known to occur on Neptune. Following this, multiple observatories across the globe, including ground-based telescopes, equipped with high-powered imaging technologies, swung into action to capture more data. What made this discovery particularly striking was the scale of the impact. Preliminary analysis suggested that the object that collided with Neptune was significantly large, possibly comparable to the famous comet Shoemaker, Levy 9, that famously collided with Jupiter in 1994. This kind of event is a rarity. Neptune's remote location and massive size mean that observing such collisions directly is exceptionally challenging. The scientific community buzzed with excitement and a bit of apprehension as they pieced together the observations. Social media and scientific forums lit up with discussions and speculations. Was this a rogue comet, or perhaps a previously unknown Kuiper belt object making an unexpected visit? The energy released by the impact was estimated to be extraordinarily high, hinting at the massive force of the colliding object. As the news spread, more telescopes were directed towards Neptune to observe the aftermath and gather crucial data. This event opened a new chapter in planetary science, providing a unique opportunity to study the dynamics of celestial collisions and their impacts on planetary atmospheres. The incident served as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system, sparking renewed interest in the outer planets and the mysteries they hold. The recent celestial event where something massive collided with Neptune has sent ripples of excitement and concern through the scientific community. But what exactly crashed into this distant icy giant? Theories are swirling, and the details are as intriguing as they are surprising. Initially, astronomers using the James Webb Space Telescope noticed an unusual flash on Neptune's surface. This wasn't a small blip. The energy released was enormous, suggesting the object was substantial. Experts believe that it was most likely a comet, given the suddenness of the impact and the observed aftermath. Comets made of ice and rock can create bright flashes and significant atmospheric disturbances when they collide with a planet due to their high-speed entry. The size of the object, though specifics are still under analysis, is estimated to have been large, enough to create a visible mark on Neptune, which has since started to fade. This observation suggests that the object was significantly big, perhaps several kilometers in diameter. The exact dimensions are still being calculated as data continues to pour in from various observatories. What's particularly shocking about this event is the energy involved. The impact released energy comparable to the detonation of millions of nuclear bombs, a level of force that's capable of altering atmospheric conditions on Neptune. This kind of impact can lead to changes in cloud formations and even in the chemical composition of the atmosphere, which could have long-term effects on the planet's weather systems. The implications of such a collision are profound, not just for Neptune, but for our understanding of similar bodies in our solar system. Such events provide a rare opportunity for scientists to study the dynamics of planetary impacts and the resultant changes, offering insights that are impossible to gain otherwise. As astronomers and planetary scientists continue to study this event, updates are eagerly awaited. Each piece of data helps to piece together the story of our solar system's history and its dynamic nature. This collision on Neptune is a stark reminder of the cosmic ballet that continues to unfold millions of miles away from Earth. As we reflect on the recent celestial drama that unfolded with the collision on Neptune, it's important to grasp the sheer magnitude and rarity of such an event. For astronomers and space enthusiasts, this occurrence is not just a spectacle, but a treasure trove of data that could reshape our understanding of the outer solar system. Recent observations indicate that the object that struck Neptune was likely a rogue comet or asteroid, one that had silently wandered through the solar system before its dramatic encounter. The impact has sparked vivid auroras in Neptune's atmosphere, phenomena that are not only beautiful but also rich with scientific information. These light shows provide clues about the composition of both the comet and Neptune's elusive atmosphere. What's even more compelling is considering the timing of this event. Just as global space agencies are pushing the boundaries of interstellar research, this collision offers a timely reminder of the dynamic and often unpredictable nature of space. It underscores the necessity for advanced monitoring systems to protect not only Earth, but also our intricate understanding of the cosmos. The impact on Neptune might be a distant event over 2.7 billion miles away, but it hits close to home by reminding us of our planet's fragility in the vast universe. As we continue to monitor Neptune and analyze the aftermath of this collision, each piece of data helps in piecing together the cosmic puzzle, ensuring that with each discovery, we're better prepared for the next big surprise the universe holds.